Hello, I buy this cooling and warming refrigerator on Gearbest.com. It costs 24 US dollars. The shipping was fast, 15 days. Um, and I'm going to try it the first time, if it works. On Gearbest, the shipping is free, and I only paid the product. This is a cooler, like I say. It cools fruit, water, and is warming also. Now I'm going to try it. It's on cooling move. It's cooling now. Well, I think it was cheap. I buy 24 US dollars on Gearbest.com. I think is a cool. It's already cooling. I think it's good product. Yes, it's cooling.